What if I told you there are buses that don't stop at the riverbank? They dive straight in and keep driving as boats. Or motorcycles that turn into jet skis in just 5 seconds. Around the world, engineers are building vehicles that defy the limits of land and water. From Rotterdam to China, these amphibious machines aren't science fiction anymore. They're real, and they're changing the future of transportation. Our first stop is the heart of Rotterdam, Netherlands, where a remarkable feat of engineering is turning heads. It's the Amphibious Tour Bus, Bus Splash Tours, a vehicle that lives a double life. On the city streets, it's a bright yellow tourist coach with a spacious interior and large windows. But when it reaches the river moss, the magic happens. Without pausing, it drives straight into the water, its chassis seamlessly transforming into a certified maritime vessel. This isn't just a bus with some floats attached. It's a high-tech hybrid. The engineering is built on a specially sealed hull, a reinforced chassis, and marine-grade composites on its underside. Think of it like a submarine's hatch, but for an entire bus, perfectly watertight. Hydraulic systems switch between land and water modes instantly, engaging propellers powered by the same diesel engine that just navigated city traffic. The 60-minute tour is a tale of two cities, one of architecture and one of open water, proving that the future of urban transport is already making a splash. Rotterdam isn't alone. In Hamburg, Germany, the Harper City River Bus, Hafen City River Bus, showcases another brilliant example of amphibious transit. Built on a reliable truck chassis from MAN, this vehicle begins its journey in the historic Speicherstadt warehouse district. On land, it's a capable bus, reaching speeds of 65 kilometers per hour, but its destination is a special ramp on the Entenwerder Peninsula. There, it rolls into the Elbe River, and control is handed over to a marine navigation system. It becomes a steady tour boat, cruising at 13 kilometers per hour. What's fascinating is the legal puzzle it represents. It's registered as a road bus in Germany and as a vessel in Bulgaria to satisfy two completely different sets of regulations. It's like having two passports for one person. The vehicle is packed with safety features, including a watertight hull, bilge pumps, and emergency gear, ensuring the transition from road to river is not just seamless but incredibly safe. Building on that same incredible technology, Gibbs Sports Amphibians also created a multi-purpose workhorse, the all-terrain Amphibious UTV, Gibbs TerraQuad. This vehicle is a hybrid of an off-road UTV and a high-speed watercraft. It has a two-seat side-by-side configuration, a protective roll cage, and a rear cargo bed, making it perfect for utility tasks. On land, it can hit 72 kilometers per hour. On water, it uses a jet propulsion system to reach 45 kilometers per hour. The transition is just as fast as its smaller sibling, about 5 seconds. The wheels fold neatly into the body to reduce drag, just like an airplane retracting its landing gear after takeoff. Engineers designed the TerraQuad for extreme conditions, with a vibration-resistant structure and a low center of gravity to ensure it stays stable and predictable, whether it's navigating rocky trails or choppy water. If a bus is for the masses, our next vehicle is all about personal freedom. Meet the Amphibious Jet Motorcycle, Gibbs Bisky, an invention that truly erases the line between road and water. On asphalt, it's a powerful motorcycle, capable of hitting 130 kilometers per hour. But with the simple press of a button, a 5-second transformation sequence begins. The wheels retract up into the body, and 2 powerful water jets engage. Suddenly, you're riding a jet ski that can reach an incredible 60 kilometers per hour on water. It's like a real-life transformer. The technology behind it is astounding. A lightweight composite body keeps it nimble, while sealed components protect the engine. A dual transmission system delivers power to the wheels or the water jets, making it a masterpiece of precision engineering. If you think this is the ultimate adventure machine, let us know in the comments what you do with one. You may have seen these in major cities around the world, the iconic amphibious duck boats. These vehicles are the ancestors of modern amphibious transport. Originally based on the DUKW, a 6-wheel drive military truck from World War II designed to ferry supplies from ships to shore, they have been repurposed for tourism. The duck boat starts its tour on city streets, but then, to the delight of its passengers, it drives down a ramp and splashes into a river or harbor. The vehicle's hull is naturally watertight, and it's equipped with flotation systems and an independent propeller, allowing it to cruise safely at about 5 to 8 kilometers per hour. It's a living piece of history that offers a unique perspective, allowing you to see landmarks from both land and water without ever changing seats. It's the perfect blend of historical engineering and modern-day fun. Now, let's jump to the cutting edge of electric vehicle technology. A Chinese automaker has developed the floating electric SUV, Yangwang U-8, a vehicle with a jaw-dropping party trick. It can float. In an emergency like a flash flood, the U-8 activates a special mode. Its watertight body allows it to stay afloat for up to 30 minutes, and it can even move forward at 3 kilometers per hour by using its wheels as paddles. It's the world's first production SUV with this capability. But that's not all. The U-8 is a powerhouse, with 4 independent electric motors producing a combined 1,197 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Thanks to its advanced control system, each motor controls its own wheel, allowing the vehicle to perform a tank turn, spinning 360 degrees on the spot. It's a perfect fusion of luxury, power, and unbelievable survival technology. Finally, for those who demand ultimate power on any surface, engineers at Watercar have created the High-Speed Amphibious Off-Roader, H1 Panther. Based on the legendary military Humvee, this vehicle has been completely redesigned for amphibious performance. The challenge was immense. How do you make a heavy, rugged off-roader fast on water? The solution was to replace heavy steel and iron components with lightweight aluminum and stainless steel. Under the hood is a 395 horsepower Chevrolet LS3 engine. On land, it's a beast, reaching 112 kilometers per hour. But on water, it's a speedboat, hitting an astonishing 65 kilometers per hour. The transition takes less than 20 seconds. It's the ultimate expression of amphibious engineering, combining the toughness of a military icon with the speed of a powerboat. In the end, technology is not just about machines or codes. It's about how humanity evolves with it. From ancient innovations to today's cutting-edge breakthroughs, each step tells a story of progress, curiosity, and resilience. The future is still being written, and one thing is certain: science and technology will always shape the world we live in.